Hi everyone, today I'm going to explain to you how to measure and mark out and cut stair stringers like a pro. It's easier than you think.
Recording. So, a lot of people see stair stringers and think that there's all kinds of, all these crazy angles, and it's some kind of like voodoo black magic to figure out all the angles, because if you're cutting a stringer out of a 2x12, then like, how do you figure out this angle and this angle? And it's all like seems really crazy, but actually the trick to stair stringers is we're going to completely ignore the diagonal lines, and the only angles are this one, which is 90 degrees. So it's super simple, and you just have to figure out your rise and your run. So this is your rise here, and this is your run here, and all you need to do that is to figure out where the top of your stairs are and the end of the stairs are, and then divide that by an appropriate number of steps, and it gets these steps. So there's no diagonal lines. If you just ignore those, then it makes it a lot easier. So I've already figured it out, and my rise is 7 5/8, and my run is 8 3/4 on my stair stringer. And that's only because I'm matching an existing set of stairs and trying to fit it into the existing set of stairs. You have to actually follow building code, which this does not. So then, how do you figure out how to put these stair stringers into the edge of the board? Well, first you're going to check your crown. So you want your crown going up. I've already marked it. So this is the up side. And then you take your framing square, and I've got my run is going to come in this way. So my run is going to come that way, and my rise is going to come that way. And so my run is 8 3/4. So on the inside of the square here, you hold 8 3/4 in on the edge of the board, and then my rise is here, and that is 7 5/8. So you got 8 3/4 and 7 5/8 are on the edges on the square, or on the edge of the board, and you mark that inside there, and that's your cut, and then you just repeat it. Until you get the right number of steps. It's really easy. That's it. Alright, so I got a whole bunch of steps traced out on here. I didn't count while I was doing it. So there's 13 steps on my run of stairs. So when you get to the top, this is the 13th run, and this comes back the distance of the run, and your line at the top to cut and attach is 90 degrees off the back of the run. And then at the bottom over here, generally you're going to have a shorter rise on your bottom step on your stringer, because there is something on top of them, and there's not the same amount of something on top of them on the top. So you got to figure that out. But when you're on your bottom step, so I've marked my bottom step out here this way, and then you're just going to turn and come the other direction at 90 degrees. And then you're going to mark out your height on your bottom rise, and then run 90 degrees off of that. And all of these like crazy voodoo black magic scientician angles that it looks like are on a stair stringer are actually just 90 degrees. So it's easy. If you're looking at my face for it.
Now your stringer's all marked out, you're ready to cut it. Cut with your circular saw to the line to start with, and you'll notice that it doesn't cut all the way through, and that's fine. Make sure you have your circular saw set to full depth. After you've done that, you can finish the cuts with a jigsaw or a sawzall or a handsaw or whatever kind of a straight cutting saw that you have handy that will work and do the trick. Now that you've got your first stair stringer cut out, go do a test fit. Make sure it works in the spot where it's supposed to go in case you screwed it up. And then bring your stair stringer back and use it as a template to mark out and cut all the rest of them. And that's about it. Now you know how to cut, mark, and cut stair stringers like a pro, and you can impress your friends at a party. Pretty cool party trick. If this video helped you at all, or if you think I'm an idiot, then you should like and subscribe and leave a comment.